Today, we're diving into the world of refrigerator maintenance with the Samsung main refrigerator PCB control board, specifically the part number DA92-00768D. This inverter power control board, also known as EBR641100504, plays a crucial role in managing the functions of your refrigerator, from regulating cooling cycles to controlling defrost times. First off, let's talk compatibility. This control board is designed to fit specific models like the LFC23760SB03, LFC23760SB04, and LFC23760ST04. So, before you hit the purchase button, make sure your refrigerator is on the list. It's a compact board, so it won't take up much space inside your appliance, ensuring seamless integration. Now, onto the installation process. Remember, safety first. Always unplug your refrigerator before attempting any repairs. Once you've done that, it's time to roll up your sleeves and get to work. With a pair of work gloves to protect your hands, you'll need to carefully swap out the old control board with a new one. It's a straightforward process, but if you're not confident, don't hesitate to call in a professional. But why would you want to replace your control board in the first place? Well, if you've noticed any issues with your refrigerator's performance, like erratic cooling cycles or irregular defrosting, chances are your control board could be the culprit. By installing a new one, you can restore your fridge to its former glory, ensuring your food stays fresh and your drinks stay cold. Overall, the Samsung main refrigerator PCB control board is a reliable solution for anyone looking to improve their refrigerator's performance. It may not be the most exciting upgrade, but it's certainly one of the most important. So if your fridge is acting up, don't hesitate to give it a much-needed makeover with this control board replacement. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.